everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to redeem your Xbox gift card online. Redeeming your Xbox gift card is a straightforward step. Go and open up a web browser to get started, and in the URL box type in xbox.com and press enter. Sign into your Xbox account to get started. Click the sign in button appearing at the bottom. Enter your Microsoft account's credentials to log in first. Enter your Microsoft email and password and click sign in. Once you are logged into your Xbox account, click on your profile picture appearing at the top right hand corner. In the pop-up, click the three dots right next to Xbox profile and select the redeem code option. Now enter the 25 characters code from your Xbox gift card inside the text box. And if your code is correct, you will be taken on the next page. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the redemption process and you will be able to redeem your Xbox gift card right away. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.